Is it good? What's the taste? What's the taste? Miss White? How many stars? How many approve?
One,
Two approve. Three.
Okay guys, we're doing cooking with Bart. I'm not trying to speak that loud. We're doing cooking with Danielle because Bart's sleeping. And I'm not trying to speak that loud. And we're making corn dogs. This one, the rice. And we had sugar. I forgot what's that in the back. What's that?
Flour.
Flour. And the salt and the baking powder. These is our cups. I'm mixing it. How much time do you have to mix this?
Just mix it properly. 1/2 milk.
We put the milk batter in there. We put the sticks inside the hot dogs. Have we met before? Have we met before? Probably in Michigan. I checked the oil. Okay, y'all. Mommy just put it in the batter. And we're eating chips.
Just cut it so it will fit the pan.
So it will put his feet on the pan. Trying the sausage. It's trying sausage.
Ayan, you wanna try dipping it in?
Yes!
Oh, teka nga. Ito.
Have we met before? Probably in Michigan.
I'm going to add more. Yeah, ganyan, like dip it like that. Oh, look at this.
Ew, that corn dog looks saggy. Oh. Where?
Ay, don't throw Nagtatalsik-talsik yan ha. Slowly.
How am I supposed to? I'm scared.
Ay, sus.
Mommy, it's burning the stick.
Oo, kasama yung madali namang tanggalin yan. See?
I hate when it burns the stick. I'm gonna go get some. If you see me doing stuff with my eyes, I have easy eye.
Look at this. But where's the hot dog? There! Is it cooked inside? Oh,
Yeah, it tastes a bit bad.
It tastes a little bad. I think it's not that cooked pa.
It's too sweet.
I think it's too sweet.
Yeah.
I told you, it's sugar eh. Put it in the air fryer pag hindi pa. This one is cooked. This one is cooked. Oh.
This one.
Maybe we should air fry it first. This one is good.
It's good.
What?
It's good. We're gonna give some to Bart.
When he wakes up?
And we're gonna record it.
Bart, you wanna taste this? Come here. Yummy, yummy. Daniel, look at his face.
Wow.
Wow, taste it like this. Hot dog.
Okay, Dad?
Yummy? What's that? That's Miss White.
We got that?
Axel!
On.
What's the taste? Baby, what's the taste? Is it good? What's the taste? What's the taste? Miss White? How many stars? How many approve?
Why?
That's it.
Two approve.
From this area, from this area.
Three. Three approve daw, Daniel.
Why?
5. Are you checking the temperature?
Yeah.